Hello everyone, we are going to be solving daily Leetcode problem 808 soup servings. Before starting this problem, we shall have a small motivational quote. True change and success doesn't come from occasional effort, but from daily discipline. A single workout won't transform your body, one healthy meal won't guarantee fitness, and sporadic work won't build expertise. It's small, consistent action repeated over time that creates lasting results. Greatness is forged in the ordinary moments of commitment, not in grand, rare gestures. What you do every day matters far more than what you do in once in a while, right? Very true. So let's look at this problem statement. You have two soups A B, each starting at n ml. On every turn, one of the following four operations is chosen at random, each with probability zero point 0.5 independent of all previous turns. Pour 100 ml of type A and 0 ml of type B, 75 ml of type A, 25 ml B, 50 ml A, 50 ml B, 25 ml A, 75 ml B. Okay, so note there is no operation that pours 0 ml from A and 100 ml from B. Yes, that's the steps that are given, operations, and the amount of A, B are poured simultaneously during the turn. If an operation asks you to pour more than you left of a soup, pour all that remains of that soup. Return the probability that A is used up before B plus half the probability of both soups are used in same turns. Okay, so this is the important part that we need to understand. Return answers with 10 power minus 5 of the actual answer will be accepted. Okay, so if we perform either operations of first two servings, soup A will become empty first. So n starting at 50 ml. So if we perform first two operations, if we perform either of the first two servings, any of these two servings, soup A will become empty first. If we perform the third operation AB, will become empty at the same time. If we perform both fourth operation, B will become empty first. So the probability of A becoming empty plus half the probability that A becoming empty at the same time is 0.5 into 1 plus 1. Yeah, this makes sense. So this is an important part to understand. If we perform the fourth operation, this operation that is being talked here, B will become empty first, right? So B will become empty first. So the total probability of A becoming empty first plus half the probability that A and B becoming empty at the same time is 0.25 into 1 plus 1 and 0.5 plus 5. Okay, so this is the total probability that A can become empty at first plus the probability that A and B both become empty at the same time. So that's the value that is being added here. So this is a simple math problem. Let us look at the approach that we will be taking to solve this problem. So this is absolutely a DP problem. We shall approach this problem. Maybe there will be n mls that will be given. So for example, let's say in our example one that we read, we were given with value 50. So let's say there can be two possible servings, or we can divide it by 25 because the maximum serving that can take place will be in terms of 25 ml, right? So we will have a unit specified with respect to 25, and then we shall also have a caching just to improve our recursive function. So we will pass in we will perform the probability check such that probability is equals to 0.25 into calculate probability. this will be a function. So soup a minus 4 comma soup b. So we are saying all four parts of soup b is consumed, and calculate probability soup a minus 3 and soup b minus 1. Similarly here a minus 2 and b minus 2. This is both becoming equal probability. So a minus 1, b minus 3. So this is the whole idea. So what we are doing here is we remove 100 ml of all of the soup A and we are not doing anything. So this would mimic the operation of soup A getting 75 ml uh, and B getting 25 ml out. Here 50 ml, 50 ml, and here this would be 25 and 75. So that's what we are doing, and we also would be having a caching array that would give us the probability of any previously calculated values. So I would go to the Leetcode editor and start adding the solution. So first thing is we know that the value of n will never be larger than 5000. So we return 1 if that's the case, and we also would create units such that it is always a multiple of 25. So we are creating this cache array just for optimization of our recursion function that we built right now. Okay, with this we are good to submit the solution. As you can see, the solution gets submitted. Time and space complexity of the solution would be O of m square, where m is the number of liters, or number of liters, or the value of m. Yeah, so m would be the number of units of uh, this n that we are splitting here. So yeah, that's the value of time complexity, and it would be m square. Hope you found this video helpful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.